Sleep debt. What is a sleep debt? A sleep debt is a cumulative effect of not getting enough sleep over time. It represents the gap between the amount of sleep your body needs and the amount of sleep you actually get. For example, if you need 8 hours of sleep per night, but only sleep for 6 hours, you can accumulate a sleep debt of 2 hours. Over several days, weeks, or longer, this debt adds up and can affect your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Key points about sleep debt. Acute versus chronic. Missing sleep for 1 or 2 nights can result in acute sleep debt, whereas consistently not getting enough sleep over a long period leads to chronic sleep debt. Symptoms. Symptoms of sleep debt include fatigue, reduced cognitive performance, irritability, weakened immune function, and increased risk of accidents. Repayment. While you can repay small amounts of sleep debt by sleeping longer on subsequent days, chronic sleep debt can have lasting effects on health, including cardiovascular issues, obesity, and diabetes. The best way to prevent sleep debt is to prioritize consistent quality sleep, aiming for the amount your body needs, typically 7 to 9 hours for most adults.